Wealthy Coin is happy to see you all back. Before you go out and buy Shiba Inu coins, watch this video. SHIB updates. Following its recent meteoric rise, the Shiba Inu price has spent months trying to locate an ideal support level. Even though SHIB reversed the previous rally's gains, it has still not established a solid foundation, as the meme coin is ready for a wild move though. Things are looking brighter. Holy ship is the topic of discussion in this video. Before you go out and buy Shiba Inu coins, watch this video. Updates from SHIB. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. For nearly a month, the Shiba Inu price has maintained a steady position above the support level of $0.000000118. Consolidating above this level for a while after the August 5th flip, it eventually set off a 50% surge. Trading above a horizontal support level at $0.000000118, the Shiba Inu price reversed these gains in the following days. The break of this confluence by SHIB on September 15th, however, confirmed the beginning of a downturn. The price of Shiba Inu is expected to plummet 25% and reach an inefficient level between $0.00000000000000000000093 USD if the current trend persists. In the near run, it will establish the groundwork for the bullish play in the long run. But a daily candlestick close above the $0.00000000118 barrier would indicate bearish sentiment among Shiba Inu prices if the market were to execute a U-turn. Turning this obstacle into a support level would put an end to the negative prediction. Because of this change, the Shiba Inu price can reach $0.000000179 USD before it should. An intraday high of $1.37 was achieved by Bone, a native token of Shiba Inu, which had a 20% increase today. The price of Bone continues to rise as investors increase their buying pressure on the token in anticipation of the upcoming launch of the Shibarium public beta testnet. With any luck, we should be able to launch the testnet before the end of this month. With an 87% increase in value over the previous 30 days, the token's price reached a 30-day high of $1.77 earlier this week. Investors in Bone last month saw a roughly twofold boost to their portfolio value as a result. Price increases for Bone have been ongoing since July 2022. It took less than a month for the price to rise from $0.48 to $1.10. Before the week comes to a close, the price of Bone is expected to reach $2. Over the past 3 months, the price of Bone has doubled, providing investors with enormous rewards on their investment. The Shibarium Layer 2 Network's governance token will be Bone. The network's developer, Unification X Fund, has promised that next week you'll have the Layer 2 network documents in your hands. According to the company, the Bone token is perfect for the Shiba Inu community because it is used as gas payments on the Shibarium network. However, the precise date of the Shibarium network's launch has not been announced yet. Launch details were just disclosed this month by the SHIB team. More and more people are purchasing Bone tokens, and that is understandable. Would love to get in on the early admission before Shibarium ever launches. Due of Bone's potential utility on the Shibarium network, investors anticipate more price appreciation for the token. They would therefore benefit financially from a price hike. Buyer interest in Bone is expected to remain high until the SHIB team announces when the Layer 2 network will be launched. New information shows that Bone is up 10.9% in the past day, with a current price of $1.37. Nonetheless, it has fallen 91.3% from its all-time high of $15.50 in July 2021. The SHIB team announced earlier this month that they will be capping the total supply of Bone tokens at $230 million, thereby ending token minting. Gas and Shibarium validators account for the remaining $20 million of Bone's $250 million maximum supply. Bone was among the top cryptocurrency gainers last month, thanks in part to news of exchange listings, which caused its price to skyrocket. A Japanese hunting dog breed, the Shiba Inu serves as the mascot for the Ethereum-based altcoin Shiba Inu. The idea for the project came from a simple question: what would happen if the community had full control of a cryptocurrency project? An experiment in centralized spontaneous community development is what the cryptocurrency's creator, Ryoshi, says led to its inception. Ryoshi claims that a decentralized group can accomplish more than a centralized one. Because of its proven reputation for security, Ryoshi decided to construct the Shiba Inu ecosystem on the Ethereum blockchain. This would ensure that the project remained decentralized. Among cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu garnered the most attention recently due to the meteoric rise of meme coins, which recorded gains of 30% in a single day. Satoshi Kusama, head developer of ShibaSwap, confirmed on Twitter that he is prepared to reveal additional information regarding the Shiba Inu Eternity game. He made it known that he will be present on the SHIB Discord server for any and all discussions regarding the forthcoming mobile game. He said that he would be pausing the chat to talk about Eternity and asked investors not to miss his impassioned statement. Go ahead and join me in SHIB Discord tomorrow at 9 p.m. PST. I will interrupt the conversation to go over Shiba Eternity and all its related topics. In this impassioned address, I will lay out my vision for SHIB's future and why you should not miss it. Shout out to SHIB ranks. Someone tweeted it. Shidoshi refrained from providing any additional information regarding SHIB's future in this tweet. For now, we can only keep an eye on the SHIB Discord server for any updates. The scheduled time for Thursday at 9 a.m. PST on Discord for the Shiba Eternity game talk is also confirmed. Plus, since it's already accessible for testing in Vietnam and Australia, the Eternity mobile game might be released first. According to Unification Fund's blog, Shibarium Public Beta Testnet might perhaps be deployed this month as well. On the other hand, you can expect the other projects to drop around 2023 or later. Former U.S. congressional candidate and Gokhshtein Media founder David Gokhshtein has thanked the Shiba Inu community for starting the burn trend in the cryptocurrency environment. This whole burn frenzy was started by SHIB, says Gokhshtein. The community held the enormous maximum supply responsible for the low price and incapacity to recoup after Shiba Inu retraced from its all-time highs of $0.0000008616. They managed to convince the company to let interested investors burn their tokens voluntarily, sending their funds to an unrecoverable wallet. A decrease in supply, according to worried investors, would cause prices to flip around. There have been 60 billion tokens burned by the Shiba Inu community, and they're not done yet. If the market is down, the token burn effort probably won't have much of an effect on the price of Shiba Inu right away. Nevertheless, its impact will be felt down the road. The price of SHIB is focusing on rebounding lost ground and staying above support at $0.00000040 for the time being, to the tune of at least $0.0000 in order to escape the heavy bearish grip that has been limiting Shiba Inu price recovery. It must overcome resistance located around the middle boundary of the falling channel. The risk of more drops below $0.00000 will remain with traders until the ship pulls above the channel, shows a significant amount of seller congestion at $0.0000001100 USD. The range includes around 11,500 addresses that bought 66.62 trillion SHIB tokens before. Due to investors selling at their respective break-even marks, a modest rebound is likely in the event of such strong opposition. However, unless there is a sustained breakout, people should exercise care because the Shiba Inu price is uncertain due to the lack of reliable support zones. The inventors and producers of Shiba Inu have put in a lot of time and effort to provide token holders with practical, real-world benefits in order to increase the coin's appeal. As an example of a potential service, there is the Shibars, a metaverse habitat for Shiba Inus. Users will be able to purchase plots of virtual land to cultivate, expand, or breed their projects under this project's virtual real estate scheme. Shibars, according to the creators, might be Shiba Inu's chance to shed its comedic reputation and become a major meme coin. Shiba Inu's current market valuation is above $13 million, but analysts project a price of $0.00001 in the next 2 to 3 years. When the Shiba's official launch or pre-sale begins, these price increases will most certainly begin. We are finished for the day. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up.